Previously, we said hypoventilation was extremely slow, shallow breathing, and hyperventilation is deep or rapid breathing, and it's usually due to the accumulation of carbon dioxide or low pH. Now what we want to do is look and see what these conditions can lead to. So hypoventilation, slow breathing, leads to increases in carbonic acid, and we call that acidosis. Now, why would slow breathing lead to increases in carbonic acid? So if we go back here to our equation, we understand that this is carbonic acid right here, and we know this is a reversible reaction, meaning that when cells give off carbon dioxide, they go this way, but when the blood gets near the lungs, the cell reverses and goes this way, because ultimately what we want to do is we want the carbonic acid to split into water and carbon dioxide, and we want the carbon dioxide to leave. So if we are breathing slowly, then not as much carbon dioxide would be leaving. Therefore, we wouldn't be breaking down as much carbonic acid, and the carbonic acid would be building up. Therefore, we see that if the carbonic acid builds up, then we have a condition, respiratory acidosis. Now, what if we're breathing very fast? What if we're hyperventilating? Then that's going to lead to a decrease in the carbonic acid. Again, if I'm breathing fast, then I'm getting rid of more of this carbonic acid. Therefore, if I'm getting rid of the acid, I'm going to have more of an alkaline condition, and that then will be called alkalosis. So if somebody is hyperventilating, one thing that you can do is actually have them breathe into a paper bag, and causes their carbon dioxide levels to increase because they're rebreathing some of that carbon dioxide that they were exhaling, and then that actually helps correct the hyperventilation. Because remember, hyperventilation led to alkalosis, but if I allow them to rebreathe some of the carbon dioxide, then I correct the problem and not as much leaves as alkalosis. So if you hyperventilate, you could lead to alkalosis, meaning you've given up too much of your carbonic acid. If you hypoventilate, then you kept that carbonic acid in you, and it could lead to acidosis. So our body's always trying to correct this to keep that correct pH level.